Dear students, welcome to Dabad Academy. In today's video, I will help you with complete solution of grammar portion of English subject of recently conducted RIMC Dehradun entrance exam December 2024. Exam which just happened in this month. If you are preparing for upcoming RIMC exam, I would recommend you that you download our RIMC GK app which contains expertly designed study material for RIMC GK subject. Link is available in description box. Also, if you are looking for PDF of this English exam paper, please check out the given link in the description. So, let's begin with the grammar portion of RIMC English paper. So, grammar came of 50 marks in total. Let's go through the question and we will solve all those questions one by one. So, the first question came, revise the following sentences according to the given instruction. 10 marks question was that, each sentence containing 1 marks. Transform the sentence into active voice. Very easy. Sentence was already given in passive voice. We have to change it into active voice. So, let's see how to change this one. So, in case what is missing? The one word that is missing over here is someone. So, when we have to change into active voice, it will be someone has, third form of verb, picked my pocket. So, what examiner didn't give in the exam? Someone was not given, by someone. So, often we just remove someone, but now when we have to change from passive to active, this is how we are going to change it. Someone has picked my pocket. So, easy 1 marks question that you can easily score in this one. Moving on to the next one. Question number 2. Transform the sentence into simple sentence. So, what we have to remove over here? We have to remove after over here. Finishing her book. Finishing her book, comma, she went to the bed. Now, we have changed this sentence in a simple sentence. Next, transform the sentence into a complex sentence. So, see, there is something is missing. What is missing in this sentence? Conjunction is missing over here. Let's go through the question. With a view to continuing his higher studies, he borrowed money from the bank. So, it is a reason that why he borrowed money from the bank. Let's change it in a complex sentence with the use of a conjunction. He borrowed money from the bank so that, right? So, we have added the conjunction here to make the sentence into complex sentence, so that he could continue higher studies. Got this one? Nothing difficult. We have done all these type of questions in our academy, in our classes. So, let's continue with the next question. Now, see this, transform the assertive sentence into interrogative. Very easy, nothing difficult. In interrogative case, what we do? Helping verb come forward. So, they are going to the concert. Let's change this one. Are they going to the concert? So, after solving these questions, I guess you have got the confidence. Yes, I can do these questions. These are nothing difficult. We have all done this before. Convert the sentence into direct speech. Okay, so this was a correction in the paper. Either you could have written the sentence as it is because it's already given in direct speech. What examiner want to write over here? Indirect speech. So, let's change this one in indirect speech. Rahul asked, that will remain as it is. So I have told you before that in case of interrogative, said changes into asked, that is already given in the sentence. Rahul asked. So in interrogative, whenever we remove inverted commas, so if WH is not given and helping verb is given, if it is a question of yes and no, you will remove the inverted comma and you will write down either if or whether. If, and I changes into what? I changes according to the subject. Rahul asked if he should meet. So outside. So you changes into according to outside object given. No object is given. You can take me also. You can take him also. If he should meet me in the theatre foyer. In the theatre foyer. That entrance area is called your foyer area. So this is your sentence in indirect speech. In direct speech, it is already given. Rahul asked if he should meet me in the theatre foyer. Right? Then remove of question mark and you will write full stop over here. Next, change the sentence into indirect speech. Basically, what examiner wanted, both the sentences are indirect. So, but there was a correction needed to be done over it. It should be indirect speech. Let's do the second one. Please close the window. First, identify the sentence. Sentence is a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, what they highlight? Request, proposal, suggestion, advice, command. But here it's written please. So it's a request. And how do we change? So she requested him. And in case of imperative sentences, when we remove inverted comma, what do we write? We write down to. She requested him to, and rest of the sentence as it is, to close the window. All right, got this one? Moving on to the next. I was not sure if it was you. So this is how we are going to change affirmative sentence in a negative sentence. So you have to change few words. You have to sometimes add a conjunction over there. So I was not sure if it was you. Next sentence, very easy. We have done it lot of times in our practice classes. They will not open the shop on Monday. We have to change it in a passive voice. So like we said in my active passive video, I've told you crisscross. So the shop, and what is the rule of changing simple future into passive voice? Will be plus third form of verb. The shop will not be opened. We always write down third form of verb. By whom? By them, and then on Monday. Got this one? Easy, 1 marks question. Easily you can score in this one. Moving on to the next question. Transform the affirmative sentence to negative sentence. All men are wise. Now we have to change it. What we have to add? Not. So how will we change this one? Not all men are wise. Very easy. Not all men are wise. Like we say, not all students have submitted the report. That means few have submitted, few haven't. Similarly, men are wise, but not all. There are some who are not wise. J part. As soon as, इसको हमें क्या करना है? Replace. We went to the market, it started raining. Begin with no sooner. So, I told you in one of the classes, no sooner के साथ किसका combination आता है? Then का combination आता है. And what do we follow? We follow the concept of, past perfect. That means which tells us the event of order. So how we will write down this one? No sooner had we went to the market, then it started raining. All right. So no sooner is followed by then. So this you have to keep in mind. No sooner had we went to the market, then it started raining. Concept of past perfect is highlighted here. Had plus V3 followed by second form of verb for the second completed action. Moving on to the next question. Identify and correct the error in the following sentence. Right? So everywhere in the sentence you will find an error that you have to locate and you have to write down the correct one. She runs very quick in the rain. She runs very quickly in the race. It would be quickly. Adverb modifying another adverb. Each of the, okay, now there are too many errors in this one. Each of the students are responsible for their own work. First of all, with each and every, in my subject verb agreement video, I have clearly told you that whenever you see each, every, either, neither, then it will be followed by of. It will always take singular form of verb and also followed by the plural. So what correction here is? First, each of the students is responsible for his own work. So there were 2-3 corrections. I hope if you have done subject verb agreement, you would have able to locate all the errors. Next, I look forward to see you at the meeting. क्या error है इसके अंदर? Will you able to locate that one? So with look forward to, we don't use to see. What we will write down? I look forward seeing you. I look forward seeing you at the meeting. D. My brother along with, okay, only see too many questions came from subject verb agreement. Each wala subject verb agreement se aa gaya. Now along with. So what is the rule of along with? Together with, along with. Verb agrees with the first mentioned subject. So my first mentioned subject is singular. So with singular, what I have to do? It will be has. My brother along with his friends has gone to the park. That is the correct sentence now. Last, this is a concept of gerund, running and swimming. So we will write down gerund in both the places. Running and swimming are good exercises for health. Question number 9. Punctuate the following. Capitalize a letter where necessary. So first, as said, capitalize. So first would be T will be capital. When we start the sentence, T will be capital. There may be a dusting of truth in allergy sufferers. Sufferers complained that this season is well a bigger headache than the years past. Full stop is also given. Warning. So instead of खाली punctuation के error नहीं है, इसमें कुछ और भी missing है. Few words like have given है तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर देंगे? Warnings for a difficult season have come from energy specialist from New York to Atlanta, Chicago to California. This week, full stop. Again, change of sentence. This week has been one of the worst ever. Rest. So there is a correction. It's the name of a person. Lene Riches. And then she is 70 as. So, and this is also, she quoted this week has been one of the worst ever. Rest. Name of the person, age. As she bought allergy medicines at a Manhattan drugstore. Full stop. Again, change of paragraph. Next sentence, L, capital. Literally, every year, I would be small. is the worst year, said Lucy. Right? So said is given, direct indirect speech concept. Literally every year is the worst year, said Lucy, comma, C capital, chief of allergy and R capital, rheumatology for Bosco Health, and again error is there, the university at Buffalo, and then full stop. Now you can have a look at the paragraph where we have correct the punctuation. Punctuation marks were missing, that we have added over here. All right. So what is the question? Answer the following question. What is the superlative degree of little? Little, less, and superlative will be least. What is the contracted form of we shall? जैसे we will की बनती है, same way we shall. जैसे हम did not की contracted form didn't लिखते हैं, is not की isn't लिखते हैं, same way it will be, right? Which can be pronounced in the same way as kernel. So other kernel will be C-O-L-O-N-E-L, kernel. And what is the meaning of this one? When we chew popcorn, so that seed part, that makka is called your kernel. So this is the rank in the army. So these both of them are pronounced the same way. What is the singular form of media? Singular form of media is medium. All right. Moving on to the next question. Fill in the blanks using correct or appropriate modal verbs now. So whenever lest is given, it is always followed with should. Run fast lest you should miss the bus. Dash, you complete the task in time, your request will be accepted. So if you form a sentence with if you complete the task in time, your request will be accepted. Grammatically that is correct. But what examiner asked? Examiner asked for a modal verb, not a conjunction. So what we will do over here? Should you? Should you complete the task in time, your request will be accepted. She dash be at home, but I am not entirely sure. That means a doubt is there. Chances are less. So what we write down? In that case, we write down might. She might be at home. She might be at home, but I am not entirely sure. Dash, I help you with that heavy box. So, you can write more than one modal verb over here. Shall I help you? May I help you? Can I help you? Right? So, this is how we do this one. Last, you dash maintain a high degree of cleanliness. Degree कैसी? High degree. So, you must, you need to, you ought to maintain. All three can come over here. You must, need to, and ought to. Got it? Moving on. 5 marks. My favorite part in the of all the questions, idioms, right? First idiom, hit the hay. Very easy. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Second one, under the weather. My daughter is under the weather. She can't come today. So, feeling sick. Feeling sick. Or you can say unwell. Next, once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon it happens that you get an easy paper. So, that means rarely. Chances are less. Once in a blue moon. The ball is in your court. You can write down the meaning according to your perception, but the meaning is the ball is in your court means it's your call to take the decision. That means situation is now in your favor. Take the decision. Next, an arm and a leg. It costed him an arm and a leg. That means extremely expensive. So these are the meanings of the idioms that came in the exam. Hit the hay, under the weather, once in a blue moon, the ball is in your court, an arm and a leg. Moving on to next question. Write the meaning of the given phrases or idioms. So basically, not the meaning. So meaning is already given to you. You have to tell that the meaning is of which idiom. First is to reveal the confidential information prematurely. So either you can write down spill the bean, but most of the time spill the means take the secret out. So let the cat out of the bag. So the error is in question. Possibilities there, you might get grace marks, but it was somehow understood that you have to write down the idiom. Meaning is already given. To refrain from saying something directly due to the topic being uncomfortable. Next, stuck in a difficult circumstances with no escape. Between, between the devil and the deep sea. Between the devil and the deep sea. That means stuck in a difficult circumstances. एक तरफ कुआं, एक तरफ खाई. Next is being very happy. I'm on cloud 9. So before you were going for exam, what was said to you? Break the leg. So this would be the answers. ये आपके idioms हैं और meaning उनके already exam में given थे. So you have to figure out what would be the correct idiom according to the explanation given in the question. Moving on to the next question, the last question of the grammar section. Write the correct preposition that could replace the ones underlined. So it's not underlined, so let me mark it over here for you. First question, the match took place. Usually अगर यहाँ पे off last Sunday नहीं given होता तो हम जैसे prepositions करते हैं for the duration we write down in the morning, in afternoon, in the evening. But Sunday का preposition नहीं है, like on Sunday. So what will be the correction? On the morning of last Sunday. Now here we are not referring to the duration. We are referring to Sunday. Next question. The team is comprised of 5 players. हम बोलते हैं of 5 players, not by 5 players. By हम कब use करते हैं? We use by in case of preposition when action has been done upon someone. They have accepted the term of the contract in principle. Right? The bridge stretches over the river. The last question, the lake is abound with fish. So this is the solution of RIMC English grammar part. Now at the end, if you are preparing for upcoming RIMC entrance exam, make sure you connect with our academy, Dabur Academy, for RIMC online as well as offline training. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you so much.